Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. So tonight we are looking at Dvlt stock. You can see this one on Friday was down by 16.67%, and over the course of this video I'll be giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions on that. I'll be giving you the levels that I am looking for next. If it sounds good, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe. At the same time, of course, I am not a financial advisor. Make sure you're doing your own research. Now, jumping straight in and looking at the stock. As I say, you are seeing that major drop, and this all comes after peaks that we saw way into the $3 range. Now we're seeing this one drop right back down to the 190s, which begs the question, where do we go from here? Now, of course, when a stock goes up like this anyway, we're at a point where we're asking questions as to what comes next. It's very unlikely that we see a stock really maintain such price rises for a very prolonged period of time, especially when indicators like the RSI are coming up to overbought, as they were with this stock when we zoom back into the Wednesday period of last week. Now with this that we are seeing right now, the question is of course where we find our support. Now the most obvious levels could be something like the range around 125, could be something like the 140 range. But again, the most idealistic situation, in my opinion, would be to find the support now at a higher level to prove that there is some validity to this recent price rise. I'd be looking to see 184 potentially. That has been a bounce point that we saw through the late part of Thursday into Friday, so that could be something to watch out for. You could be looking at levels in the 170s potentially as well. It's about seeing when this momentum begins to slow down, seeing when we begin to consolidate. I think it is really too soon to call it. So my opinion for this one going into the week is I'd be a little bit cautious, and I'm waiting to see where the bottom is with this one. I know that a lot of people would see this as a potential buying opportunity now, especially given the fact that we have bounced off this level, as we've seen actually back here too. My personal logic is I'm happy to lose out on a couple of percentage point worth of gains if it avoids me necessarily going into a trade which I don't see with the most potential. And right now, until I find that support, I just don't see that. That's my personal thoughts. I'd love to hear yours in the comments. Thank you for your time, guys, and goodbye for now.